Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. What we have here, 2012 Ford F-150 that we'll demonstrate on, but even if you have, guys, a different year, that generation video may be helpful. Once you open the hood in your F-150, you're going to notice that the fuse box will be located right above the radiator, right here. You open that lid, and once you open it, guys, the fuse box layout will look just like this one. You can see right here, those are the relays that will be towards the windshield side, and you'll be facing on this side. Now, it's very important to test fuses and relays, guys, so you don't waste your money and time. Let's explain why. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now, these fuses and relays at the parts store could be really expensive. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a fraction of the price, guys. The first fuse that we'll need to check is known as fuse number F26. That's the first fuse in that row right here. Check this thing out. That fuse right here is the first one you need to check, 10 fuse, guys. Next we need to go to fuse number 53. That will be 1, 2, the second fuse in that row, 5 fuse. Check this one as well. Then we're going to go to fuse number 75. I'm explaining about that fuse right here, the first on the left side in that row. Check this fuse, guys, 15 fuse. Now you will have more fuses as well, and they will be in the cabin on your Ford F-150, in the footwell on the passenger side under the glove box, okay. There in the kick panel, you remove the cover, you have fuses, and once you open it, it will look like that. So we can clearly, guys, show you what we have here specifically. Let's explain which fuse we need to check here now. First, we need to check fuse number 18. If you come in that left row, all the way on the bottom, that 10 fuse, that's the one that you need to check. Right here, that's the one of the fuses, okay, for the PCM. Another fuse that you will need to check specifically is the third row, 1, 2, 3, third row from left to right, second fuse from top to bottom. That 5 fuse will need to be checked as well. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.